Today we're making spicy green pepper dried bean curd. First, cut the dried bean curd into even pieces, about 10 centimeters wide. Stack them up and then cut them into strips. Soak the dried bean curd in boiling water to soften them. Then press the stem of the green pepper inward and remove the seeds. Cut the green peppers in half. Then cut them into strips at a 45-degree angle. Cut a small piece of pork belly into strips. Pork belly can enhance the flavor of the dish. Slightly frozen meat is easier to cut. Cut some scallions. Pat ginger and garlic flat and mince them. Heat oil in a pan. When the oil is slightly hot, stir-fry the pork strips until cooked. Slowly render the fat out of the pork. When the pork strips turn yellow, add minced ginger, garlic, and scallions and stir-fry until fragrant. Add some cooking wine to remove the fishy smell. Add a little light soy sauce to enhance the flavor. This dish will be dry and not delicious if you don't add enough water. Add some 5-spice powder, salt, and chicken powder to season. Put the dried bean curd into the pot after draining. Add a little dark soy sauce to color the dish. Simmer over low heat for about 1 minute to allow the dried bean curd to absorb the flavor. Add the green pepper strips and cook until soft. Thicken the sauce with water starch in several batches and reduce it. Adding it in several batches will make the flavor even and richer. Finally, add some sesame oil to enhance the flavor. Stir-fry evenly and serve. Fragrant and flavorful green pepper dried bean curd is ready.